I am Dr. Daniel Faithful Miebaka, the House Officer Representative for the 2022-2023 cohort of House Officers. Today, I am not only representing my colleagues' House Officers, but all the other 6 professional interns who are currently doing their 1-year compulsory internship program at the Rivers State University Teaching Hospital. Your Excellency, we have been trained from various universities across the world, and today we're opportune to have worked here and gained employment with the Rivers State Civil Service, however temporary. We have been in awe at the quality of services that we have seen here. Rivers State University Teaching Hospital can arguably be adjudged as one of the best tertiary centers across the country. We have also been opportune to work with state-of-the-art facilities. The radiology suite provides 24 hours radiology services. We have now the renal center, which beats every other renal facility in the country, even those in the Federal Capital Territory. Your Excellency, our patients benefit from very conducive wards during their stay while they receive care. We have also benefited from quality of teachers who you have engaged and employed to make our 1-year training under this period worth the while. Your Excellency, we are not also isolated to the Rivers State University Teaching Hospital. We're also aware of the massive infrastructural drive across the state. We are seeing, eyes have seen and ears have heard of the wonderful things that you've wrought for Rivers people. Overall, we are witnesses here, including patients. All those who have cause to come across this gate can bear testament of the dividends of good governance and your interest, overwhelming interest in being devoted to the welfare of Rivers people. We had the conversation as colleagues a few weeks ago, and we were talking about the benefits of the Lagos Business School, how it empowers Nigerians when it comes to entrepreneurship and business management. Your Excellency, we are of the opinion that if there will be a school of governance and administration, then it's possible that one of the compulsory courses should be devoted to the administrative life and times of His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike. Without wasting more time, I, on behalf of the amazing persons who are behind me and flanking me, we have decided to present His Excellency with an award of prestigious service in governance as Nigeria's foremost healthcare reformer. Your Excellency, we ask for your permission to make this presentation. Thank you.
We are very, very grateful for all you have done for us.
Let me congratulate the management and staff of this teaching hospital for coming out in their numbers to receive us for this wonderful occasion today. But before I go into the details, so that I will not forget, the chairman, Nigerian Medical Association, very brilliant young man who knows how to use language to see how the governor is convinced, even though he knows how difficult the governor is.